Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Trello due dates and calendar power-ups. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Trello and log into your account. Navigate to the board where you want to verify due dates. Locate the card with the due date you want to check. Click on the card to open it. In the card menu, look for the due date section. Verify that the due date is displayed correctly. If you need to modify the due date, click on the pencil icon next to the date. Adjust the date as needed and then click Save. Next, to check the calendar power-up, return to the board view. Click on the Show Menu button on the right side of the board. In the menu, click on Power UPS. Search for the calendar power-up in the directory. Once found, click on the Add button to enable it. After adding, return to your board. You should now see a calendar option in the board menu. Click on the calendar option to view the calendar layout. Check if all due dates appear correctly on the calendar. If any dates are missing, go back to the relevant cards to verify their due dates. Make any necessary adjustments and return to the calendar view. Your Trello board is now set up for effective date management with the calendar power-up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.